then we're just gonna bake it in the oven. And then I got some tomatoes here, some cherry tomatoes.
Look who's cooking in the kitchen.
Got some mozzarella and some salad dressing. Well, he did that.
Alright, trendsetters, what's going on? Here we got Jocelyn in the kitchen.
So now I put the minced garlic on there. My favorite thing to do is to put a little bit of water at the bottom there. You gotta get the other side of that chicken. That chicken is naked. That one's naked. You gotta put a little more seasoning on there. That's naked. It's naked. It's naked. You gotta season both sides of the meat. You can't do that.
Look at it, y'all.
Y'all, we're still building up our seasonings. We left all our seasonings when we moved, so.
Yeah, this is our new spot, so.
For a little bit, yeah. Temporary.
Yeah.
We're manifesting something permanent, but it's temporary.
That's honey hickory.
That's honey hickory.
And that's, what's that?
That is the Montreal chicken. If you know about Montreal chicken, I'm telling you right now, it's one of the best chicken rubs you could ever use.
Seasoned good, look at that.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little more honey hickory because we got a special sauce for the honey hickory.
Oh yeah.
We got a special sauce for the honey hickory.
Yeah. Here we go.
This right here. Red clay.
Red clay. Y'all heard of that before?
This stuff right here is really good. I mean, it's comparable to Mike's Red Hot, but it's alright. The kids are arguing. So yeah. That's what we got going on. I'm gonna go right head over here and preheat my oven to 375. So I'm gonna get it on bake. And I just want to start it, but I want to increase up to 375. I'm still learning everything in this kitchen in here. So there it is. So I'm preheat there. We got the Instant Pot here because we got the Instant Pot here. Yeah, we got the Instant Pot here because we're gonna put our collards. I got some collards in there. We're gonna put in the Instant Pot.
Yeah, we got some collards.
If you don't want dry chicken,
this is the way.
A little bit of water at the bottom of the pan, just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. All right.
You tell me you're gonna get your channel?
I'm gonna get my channel.
What's your channel gonna be called?
Jalen's World, but yeah, it's not gonna be those. It's not gonna be those intros like where it shows like multiples of me. But I would play like I'm gonna be a gamer channel. I'm gonna like play some Roblox games. Especially I'm gonna sometimes play Doors. Honestly, I'm gonna be a part of like the Doors group because like Unspeakable is my favorite channel, and like this dude always gets bummed in the game.
You gotta get a camera.
All right. Yeah, so we got the Instant Pot here ready to go. Yeah, we got the Instant Pot ready to go. Came with the place. So we're gonna get some use out of this Instant Pot here. Randall's getting our greens together. And I've got the bacon in here in the Instant Pot. I'm gonna set that to saute. And yeah, we're gonna pressure cook the greens. All right, so I've got some garlic and bacon in here. Randall is rolling and cutting up the greens. And I'm gonna set this to saute. Oh, you plug it in, Randall? You plug it in? Oh, I'm tired. There. So, is it plugged in? Oh, that back, the contact part. this part.
Yeah, push it in.
Okay. So I'm gonna turn that to saute. Still fairly new to the Instapot, guys. Not gonna lie. Not even gonna fake it for y'all. We've used it a handful of times though. So we got it on, it's beeping at us, and we got it set to saute. I don't typically add these two, but I want to try something new. I do usually use a Cajun seasoning sometimes in my greens, but I'm going to use some smoked sea salt to give it some smoke flavor since I'm only using a small amount of bacon. So Randall went ahead and put the greens in. I wasn't ready for the greens yet, but he put them in. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of the Cajun and the smoked sea salt to the top, and then we're gonna set it to 5 minutes pressure cook. All right, so again, put some Cajun in. I just eyeballed it, and some smoked salt. I love this stuff. It's been a new discovery of mine, I will say. I originally got them for ribs, the smoked sea salt, because that's one of my secrets. Yeah, that's one of my secrets. When you, of course we're not grilling today, but I initially bought the smoked sea salt for ribs, and that's one of my secrets, so I'm letting y'all know one of my secrets is if you can't grill your ribs, buy a smoked seasoning. Usually good things to get are coarse ground smoked pepper. Now my latest discovery, smoked sea salt. Another common one I used to do was smoked paprika. So smoked paprika and smoked coarse ground pepper. When you're cooking like meats where you want it to have like a grilled flavor, but you can't use a grill. So we can't use the grill here, so yep, anyways, we're gonna get ready and put the top on this. So I'm gonna hit this off. Set this back here. It's in place. You put it on pressure cook. Somebody said if you do like 10 minutes, it's gonna liquefy. So I think I'm gonna do just 5. So it's on, it's ready to go. The chicken is coming along nice. Randall,
chicken look good.
Randall basted it. I wanted him to baste it again, but
I could. I probably could put some more seasoning on there too. Some seasoning on my hickory honey chicken. Chicken look good.
why don't you put this over here?
About to baste it again.
You just letting the camera run? Oh, don't do that. You're gonna run up the camera. Just showing the chicken.
There she go, basting the chicken. Basting
Keep
that
it
chicken.
nice and moisturized.
Now that's how you get good pieces of chicken, right there.
Nice and juicy.
Juicy chicken, yeah. That's how you
Not
get juicy
splintered.
chicken.
Alright, there we go. Randall's gonna get our Caprese salad all plated up.
But they really need to cut, but
No, it don't need to be cut. It's already sliced.
but that's how we used to do it. But nowadays it used to be cut.
Used to be cut. Well, I wanted some cherry ones today.
No, it used to be cut. Like,
Why don't you lay them on top of them?
that's how we used to set it up.
Lay it on top of them, though.
What drizzle?
Why don't you lay it on top of them? Lay it on top of the circles. Yeah, like that. Don't make a cross. What a cross.
Shoot, you should want to cross. You should want to
Not on every plate.
Yeah. across.
They're all gonna fit. You could put them, line them and stack them next to each other. All right, so there it goes. And then we got the sub dressing over there.
Oh, yeah.
They were out of basil at the Walmart. Like somebody else said, the Walmart is always so stressful. You gotta shake it up and then you gotta remove that thing because you gotta get all that seasoning in there. Yep, shake it up. I love these for my this for my Italian cold cuts.
This is a caprese.
Caprese. This is a caprese salad. Real basic. There you go, and you add a little bit of basil. You can add a little basil,
to it.
but they were out of basil, so. But that's gonna be my appetizer, y'all. That's gonna be my appetizer, y'all. So now we got the looks like the pressure cooker. I don't think it's done that quick. I'm skeptical, but Randall's gonna open it up, and we'll come back to y'all. I'm really doubtful that these greens are done, y'all, but we're doing the release. Look at all of this. His is swimming in Italian dressing. I love fresh mozzarella, y'all. It's so good. Fresh mozzarella will change your life. Y'all, they're done. Look at that. Stir them around. They are done. You don't want them to turn into mush. You want them tender, but not. My God, get the other spoon. Yeah, those are done. They're nice and dark. If I turn on the surface light. Yeah, look at that color. They're done. 5 minutes. Don't put your greens on the Instant Pot for longer than 5 minutes. That's all it takes. Just a little bit of bacon in there. Smoked seasoning. And look at that garlic. Good. They done. Yep, they're done. Nothing to it. Look at him. He always likes stirring and messing. It's done. It's done. He's in disbelief. He can't believe it's done. They don't require all that stirring. It's done. It's done. He can't believe it. You can't believe it, can you?
Yeah, greens.
Yeah, they're done. Yep.
Ready to go?
So we're just waiting on our chicken now, and I'm about to have my caprese salad. Started eating it. Come back at y'all later.
Alright, TWT TV. Here's the plates. The garlic chicken and the cabbage. Ready to go. Jalen.
Honestly, I'm very hungry.
Jalen World. Yeah, there we go. Trendsetters. Peace.
Oh, also want to show them our fridge. Daddy, I'll show them our fridge. So this is our water. So if we press
Yeah, that's the ice and that's the water.
and then if we do this, water would come.
Yeah.
Honestly, this is our new house and it's pretty cool.
when the doors are fully closed.
Yeah. Alright, trendsetters. That's our plate for the day. Here comes the lady of the night.
And we're watching Batman Chugs.
Alright, y'all. End of the night, so we getting ready to eat up. Kids have already cut me up and said that the greens are too salty, so I'm gonna have to see about that.
It is.
Alright, y'all. Catch you next time. Hope you enjoyed watching us cook a little weeknight meal. Peace.
Peace.
They are?
pigs.
Yes, they are.
Let's just do it right all night. Let's just do it right all night. Let's just do it right. Everybody's so good. Say no.